Welcome to lesson 8. In this lesson, we are gonna use finger 3. First of all, we are gonna use finger 1 to 3 in the melodic form. Using finger 3 is pretty similar to using finger 2. Let's have a look at the exercise 1. You see the big bracket that is joined together and has 3, 2, 1. That means we are placing all 3 fingers onto the string at the same time. The first 3 notes are C, D, E. So get 3, 2, 1 fingers ready and place onto the string at the same time. Like this. So even before you pluck anything, just practice to place the fingers, all 3 fingers, onto the string at the same time. So get C, D, E. And then as you play with the finger 2, when you're playing the farthest one, so when you're playing with the finger 3, you are closing 4 and 5 together into the palm. Like this. And make sure 2 and 1 is not leaving the string. And then you pluck with finger 2, then thumb as usual, we close, and then you can lift up. Let's try C, D, E one more time. Get ready. C and D and E ready. And navigate and place all 3 fingers onto the string at the same time. So try C, D, E. Ready? C. Close 4 and 5 together. And then play with finger 2. And then thumb. And you can lift up. Good. Let's try this exercise. So starting from C, D, E, starting with the meaning beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, D, 2, E, 2, 3. Navigate and place on D, 2, E, 2, F, 2. Open and go to E, E, 2, F, 2, G, 2, 3, 4. Place on F, 2, G, 2, A, 2, 3, 4. Open and go to G, 2, A, 2, B, 2, 3. Then it's single C. Like this. Okay, once you practice with your right hand, you can also practice with your left hand.